I tried the spiciness chemical in its pure form, and it was a really bad idea. So my parents had bought these dried chili peppers to spice things up in the kitchen, and of course, the first thing I thought of was how cool it would be to extract pure capsaicin from them. You see, capsaicin is the molecule that makes everything from jalapenos to Carolina Reapers hot. Really, it's a defense system for these plants. Capsaicin binds directly to the mouth's heat and pain receptors, so it literally creates the same sensation as if you had, I don't know, an ember in your mouth. But humans, as the most intelligent species on Earth, we just dig in, because why not? Anyway, extracting capsaicin is actually really easy, and you can even do it yourself at home. First, we need to dry the peppers, which mine already were, and grind them up into as fine a powder as possible. Then we need to add the solvent for the capsaicin, and you have a few choices like ethanol, acetone or ethyl acetate. I personally chose ethanol or ethyl alcohol, and ideally you'd aim for at least a 10:1 ratio from solvent to solute, so I just filled up half my beaker with it. Now we need to let the capsaicin dissolve into the ethanol, so I stirred it really well and left it sitting there while I went away for the weekend. Next, we use some filter paper to get only the capsaicin ethanol solution and leave out the solid residue, and the final step is to evaporate the ethanol. Its boiling point is even lower than water, so it's really easy, and in a lab you'd do it with something like a rotary evaporator. However, at home, never boil ethanol directly. It's extremely flammable and toxic, and if you put it in contact with a hot plate or let it produce vapors, it will explode. Luckily, we're in the summer, so I just let the 40-degree sun do its thing. Not long after, it seemed there was no liquid left. So this should now be 100% pure capsaicin. I'm gonna try and scoop up a bit of it. Oh, it's kind of like honey. Okay, so I've managed to get a good chunk here. Now please subscribe because I'm about to try it myself, so you don't have to. This is such a bad idea. Why am I doing this? Oh my... Oh! Ow! It burns all over. I didn't even swallow it. Oh my god! It's genuine, intense pain. Like, it still hurts. I gravely underestimated how much I had to take.